Ghana for enipa num na MPP for represent ya ka obetima mo pictures akese baako numa kama ni beje ho ba we ye ba bi obi adane ni me bia wo mana tum no delegate we delegate we delegate to me say Ghana for ye ya number na so yi kwabreje wo the picture bia to nanimo wo ma manfo hu no ameka se you the picture you from ebe announce amanfo ameka se yakata nani enipa numi se wo say o fra why na ka obeto abama no se MPP fo yi no a wo ye Ghana ni why na office obetima bo man mi nyina obi afa. The lines are activated 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Give us a call this morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good morning. Bye.
Good morning, my brother. Who free?
Free Western Africa.
And no pay my NTO. Any penum no.
Vote come out in
Canada, Japan. Okay. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Me ba cho me te won kan ma yentio.
Pato. We didn't Ade Akye Abia so for the market.
Ade Akye Abia why na abato aba no?
Said the ni asi abere ne de here you akene de ohine akompre ko Japan. So ma meti em free at it ni am.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Wayne.
Yes, sir. Mami ti ano pay.
Let me come in there.
Obeto ama hi. Ken, okay. Hello, good morning. Me ba cho hwan die?
Ekiadoma.
O free he?
Tikrom.
Eh? Tikrom, okay. Why na ka beto ama no?
Pacho Brian Champon.
Brian Champon, okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba cho why na ka beto ama no?
Me Pacho Kennedy come to project.
Kennedy, okay. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
My entiano pay why na ka beto ama no? Ni penum no.
Me trauma like Japan.
Canada, Japan. Okay. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, Pacho Wendy.
Yeah, friend don't reach because I free that.
Don, why now beto ama no?
Yeah, was in Japan and was in any choice.
Hey.
No choice.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho my entio.
Pacho me ka se so.
Why now beto ama no?
Ken.
Canada, Japan. Hello, good morning. 0551 931 931. Pacho why now beto ama no? Beti won ka why now beto ama no?
I'm to my Canada, Japan, because I have Kenya.
Abu Kenya say.
Yaboa.
Yaboa, o ye Ghana ni na se nipa numi why na ka beto ama no?
Beto ama Canada in Japan.
Hey. Okay. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho eni penu mi wana abeto ama no.
Me pacho 2 p.m. here.
Why na abeto ama no 2 p.m.
By Kennedy.
2 p.m. ye NDC ni was no there say fancy onya NDC ni anko beto ama. Hello, good morning. Me pacho here.
Good morning.
Me ni obi a wo frɛ o. The people are calling. Me wo ye pa why nie?
Omanhene Yaw,
Mami che why na ka beto ama no? Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba cha ma TV volume ni nko for ma me misra o.
Me TV ni kura, me TV.
Ah, e dey mami che we.
Metro American Japan.
Bacha, me see the penum ni now. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good morning, Uncle.
Morning, sir.
But could you have to correct him?
Kujo, we are Ghana ni any penumi yesi ekoto aba yi presidential president fancy yi omu enum no why na abeto ama no
Kennedy Omanhene Japan no aneko.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Me did give
Who free ebu akwa why na nka abekọ ama no Hello. Hello. Oh, Molai no maye. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Beba chawa ndie.
Mepa chawa na Ade Akye.
Nana free.
Mepa chawa da Roma. Ayetu ewo team na Accra. Ye na wo kasenti wa da Roma.
Beba chawa enye ho team. Ye je no 1-1. O free he. Why na abeto ama no?
Simple kata. Me say ti do bi di nkwanta.
Why na abeto ama no? Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, man.
Pacho Wendy. Oh, free. Why not be Kwamano?
Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Mekache femina say, mekache people school.
Why not be Twamano?
Oh, Kennedy, I compare with Mura or no one ever travel.
Now, what was some children? And I saw me kind of romantic. Mr. Five for Ninja now. Hello. Hello. Oh, maybe I chop. May you have free soul. Hello. Hello, good morning. Hello. 1 and 2. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Me bacho Wendy.
I am a friend, George.
George free.
Me free Kasim.
Ahafo Kasim. Why not kabe to amano?
The trauma Kennedy Japan.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Me bacho dependum no. Why not kabe to amano se mampani?
Me free Accra. Your friend Akunai Kennedy Japan.
From Accra.
Accra. Your friend.
Akorai. Hello. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, me friend Accra.
Your friend say.
Kennedy Akunai from Accra.
Akunai what to why? Yeah.
Good morning, sir. Hello, come to see here. Ati ma kwa mama. Kami tu bi ama to ma Canada Japan.
Eba say ye mampani na enum no kan why na obeto aba no. Enye say o ye MPP ni. Ebia MPP ni and now ye NDC ni ka wo out of the 5 no why na obeyi ni say e ko onye Ghana mampani. Hello.
Hello.
Pacho why ni? Your friend say
Just
Gina ye na online ni twitwa.
just say
Just say ka beto ama why? Senior engineer Kwabere Japan. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Aha, me ba cho u free he wan die.
Me ba cho ya tan ransom me free
Nyina hini wan na ka be to ama no.
Oh my, ya te pa ni na ya te pa eye kena na eko ya te o kan ni na ya te eye kena na eko.
Hello.
Hello.
Ba cho wan die.
But tell me about the Kasa was a former.
Ya bo akasa.
Because I'm not a Canadian, you are in Japan. Number one. You did ask what I don't know.
Hello.
Hello.
Ba cho wan die. Morning.
Ote femina ko ka ko fodia.
Ko for dia wan na be to ama no.
Ote he Japan na ko kan Japan.
Ah. Okay. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Pajo free.
In face we are to my Kwangoma.
Why now be to ama no?
The government come to one in Canada, Japan. The head is media.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Me ba cho wan die. Hello. Oh, ahoma so. Yay.
Good morning.
Morning.
Me free. Banco, Abiasi Banco.
Why now to ama no?
Can Japan echo.
Ish. Hello.
Yeah, why
Pa cho wan die. Me cho mi tie wo wan die.
ya fa ayo me ka sa so as much of it.
Achema, why na ka be to ama no?
Me to ma kan ni.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho, mami ti anopai.
Me tuma kan Japan. Me ka sa ko so bro.
Akosombo. Eh. Hello. Hello. Me Pacho wan die.
Hello.
Yes sir, Pacho wan die.
Fight here atchen akotia.
O free he.
Atchen akotia.
Achema kwatia, why na be to ama the Eastern region?
Me to ama ya papa ba.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes sir, Pacho why na be to ama no?
Canada, Japan.
Canada, Japan. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Me Pacho wan die.
Ba cho from abroad Drobo, mi mano.
O free he.
Drobo mi mano.
Drobo, okay. Brahafo Bono. Why na be to ama no?
Dr. Baumia.
Dr. Baumia. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, coffee promise. The Gaza mobile market.
Bodumase.
But
Why na be to ama no?
it's straightforward. Number one, Canada compare for Japan.
Okay. Me say we Ghana ni ye koto aba. We mu enipa num. Why na be to ama no? Hello.
That's one near piano.
Also be to ama why?
Canada, Japan.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, hi.
Yes sir, Pacho wan die.
Yes, any open show ba kwame asunsa.
O free he.
Me ba cho me free session yoso.
Session why na o to ama no?
Me ba cho grassroots president. Honorable Kennedy accomplished Japan.
Hello.
Hello. Okay.
Yes sir. Me Pacho my etiu.
We can say free papa. Thank you.
O ka say free he.
Okay.
Takwa. Okay. Ansu mami etiu. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na eko. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes sir, Pacho. Enipa num no why na nka obeto aba ma no.
Omanhene Japan Kennedy.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho why nie?
Your friend Isaac.
Isaac free he.
The baby goes Johnson.
Fa.
Goes Johnson, Linda Door.
Linda Door, okay. Why not cover to Amano?
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning.
Me pacho why nie? Eja why na be to Amano?
Baumia Neko.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you, please?
I'm blessed. And you?
I'm doing well, please. I'm Honorable Edie.
Honorable Edie from
Upper West region.
Upper West. Why now to Amano?
I will also vote for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Thank you very much. Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Eja pacho free.
Oh, me pacho mkaje free before.
Before. Ko before. Why now to Amano? Why? Brian Champon. Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Pacho Wendy.
Omanhene Yaw. Ekasafri Kumawu Bodmase.
Why now, Kwamano?
Kennedy Omanhene Japan na ekro.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Open me ma kwaba.
Yes, sir.
Me ho ya dodo na free he.
The free Pando.
Pando, why na be to Amano?
Dr. Baumia number 3.
Dr. Baumia number 3. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho Wendy.
Obi watching me.
Ofi free he.
Go to Japan.
Jabbing, why now to Amano?
I'm going to make to
Okay, sir. Yeah, quite about to a spoiled ballot. It's by church or so. About church, why not to Amano? Why not to Amano? And one no Kawasem Yafi Nabet and Abutuma we busy. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
To spoil ballot. But your one day.
I'm 7.
I'm more free.
I'm a country chronom.
Why not be Kwamano?
Kennedy Omanhene Japan.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho free.
I'm the Pacho Media.
O free fa.
That's what I do. I know the best in that one.
Over to my
Kennedy Japan.
Okay, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Pacho, you so Mr. Omanhene Yaw.
Yes, my brother.
Pacho, you did the Hamza.
Hamza. Say she buako pe. Me te won catch and I want to say. Why now be Kwamano?
Number 1, Honorable Kennedy.
Yes, sir. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Pacho free.
Free.
Every Pacho wine and carbe to Amano.
The trauma they are conforming no.
Why?
They are conforming no.
Pacho bien why friend Pacho did say
Kennedy.
They are conforming. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Why ni?
Omanhene Yaw.
Boom. Now to am why?
Omanhene Onyamieja. Number 3.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pacho why ni?
That you running.
You around free.
You free atuma.
Atuma why now to Amano?
Omanhene thing. Ghana thing. Bluetooth naso. Ghana is connected. Ken one.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho why now to Amano now free.
What if I mean about you?
Kumawu abajo kwama why?
But I come on a couple of Kennedy Japan.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, my dear. Why ni? Mete won ka. Yo, why na otu amano? Why na otu abana mano?
Hello.
Mete won ka why na otu amano? Baumia. Hello, good morning. Hello. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Beba cho why ni? Oga say free hein.
Western North.
Okay, Western North. Why na otu amano? Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Hello, good morning. Kafra. Enye bo apayo. Ba na wako. Hello. Beba cho ma TV volume ni nko from why? Hey. Doom TV no volume no man nko from hello. Yeah, you know free line. Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Why ni?
If I'm Raymond, I can't imagine.
Raymond, why now come on?
The batch of women Obiani was the president. Only a stamp card. They are stamp card 5.
Hello. Why ni? Well, could I why now to a mano? Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Why ni? Yes, why now to a mano?
Ken Airport.
Ken.
Somewhere.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Your friend say.
Baumia
Neko number 3. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, I'm Pacho. Who free hey?
The only overseas in Ghana here. And how overseas?
Why now to a mano?
There's a job. Anybody in the
Okay. Canada, Japan. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Pacho free hey?
The baby as Ade Akye Abia.
Why now to a mano?
Kennedy, Omanhene Japan.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, Mama.
Yes, sir. Pacho, Edipenum no why now be to Abama the same penny.
My batch of that. Dr. Brian, a champion.
Dr. Brian a champion. Hello, good morning. Morning, oh, why ni? Bebacho, Kasami Hawaii, hello.
Hello.
Why ni?
Come again, you.
Kwame na why now to amano?
Mesoma Kennedy, Omanhene Japan.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Bacho why ni?
Good morning, I'm happy to be.
Nana wo to ama why free?
Me free Achebubu. Me farmer Kennedy, Omanhene Japan.
Okay. Hello. Kafra. Hello.
Hello, Mike.
Yes, sir. Why ni? Morning.
I see the Catholic Kennedy.
Kennedy. Okay. Hey. Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, my dear. Why ni?
If I come again, I'm a floor boy.
Obuasi Anita. Okay. My engineer no pay.
If I come in so much in Japan.
Canada, Japan. Hello. 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 Okay. We what to that. Hello, good morning. Pacho, why ni? Charles free hein?
Yes, friend is Charles.
Yo, who free hein?
The Casa free is super
Why now to Abanamano?
number 1 Kennedy.
Kennedy. Hello.
Hello.
Bacho mami benie. Your friend will say. Mami, mentie TV no. Kasa me ho. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yo, why now to Amano? Why? But I antini you.
Kennedy at Japan.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho.
Hello. One question just say because free trouble.
Okay.
Kennedy number 1.
All right. From Drobo in the Bruno. Okay. Hello.
Hello. Oh, me too, my Dr. Baumia.
Dr. Baumia. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oman.
Yes, sir. Pacho one out to Amano.
Pacho, me free offensive from the front. Trauma, Dr. Brian, the champion.
Dr. Brian, a champon. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho one ye.
Beneda Santi, and Cassette at my chance.
Achema Chiasi, why now to Amano?
The youth leader, Kennedy or him about Japan.
Kennedy, Japan. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, why now to Amano? Kennedy, Japan. Pacho, Ofra, TV volume, no man in conform. Radio, no so man in conform. Yay. Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. Me Pacho free.
Pacho, Kojaba.
Who free?
Kojaba, question no.
Was ya quite doom TV, no? Yet, me Nanusia, some so can. Now, what I saw you the same thing. Okay.
Hello.
Hello, when you?
Hi, come on.
Who free?
I said, how much my family?
Yo, why not go to Amano? Why? And your former assemblyman. Yeah, I know. Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
The Pacho, why now to Amano?
The Trauma Kennedy.
Who free?
The free chronom.
Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Why you?
My cassette, your friend, my cassette, you know, the answer.
New and to be asked, why now but to Amano?
That's a metoma by me.
Baumia. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Hello.
Hello, mommy. Why you? Ruth, Kauba to Amahine. Baumia. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Who free?
The cases whom you can Alex.
Alex, why now to Amano?
Dr. Muhammad Baumia.
Dr. Baumia. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Now, yes, my dear.
That's Dr. Baumia.
Dr. Baumia. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Hello, Pacho, why do you? Simon, free. Why now to Amano? Why now to Amano?
Kennedy.
That's our Santaman Paul.
Opening a Santaman Paul, your friend will say. Your friend will say.
But family possible.
You possible but to my
Let's Kennedy.
Kennedy. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Pacho free.
Pacho free. Your family lecture.
I'll let you over to my
Me to my Ken.
Okay. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho wine ye.
Pacho Nana for you. You have been in the chame.
Nana for
Baumia.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning. And that's say a Kotwaba, oh, yeah, Ghana ni, any penumi, ye do mercy was a woman, prayer man penny jar, oh, yeah, Ghana ni, NDC MPP, why now, but Twaba Namano? As me, we say, no, hello, good morning.
Good morning. Pastor, I'm going to say.
You want your power, why ye? One eka say, hello.
The pastor, your friend said, hi.
Who free?
The pastor from Panda State.
Why now, Twamano?
About me, delegate here, but we are going to honorable Canadian Japan.
I encounter delegate. You say, oh, you're Ghana ni. Aha. See if I say a banner woto, or when you are a presidential candidate, Kawana Calbert Twamano. Yo, Kawana Albert Twamano.
It's Toma Canadian Japan.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Pacho Wanye.
The family Coco, Cassetta France Coco.
And Coco, why not Calbert Twamano? Okay. Let's wrap up here. Let's pick the last call. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
The pastor, good morning.
Nam Pacho Wendy.
The pastor, your friend Harry, make us a few quarters to escape.
Why now, Betuamano?
The pastor, honorable Canadian compare quite Japan, and here for all your
Yo. Abusha for me, the Musia. Yeah, Grace. Na me baby dinner would that me din yama far to so mame. Funny picture not to so mame. Mami sika o UK. And there ye mami sika would that o UK. What the fat to so sa fa design be anka ho. Aha. Me bay. Me ko UK on one e jeje me tata. On ne mano. And there I celebrate this wonderful woman. Happy birthday to you, my daughter. Libertarians in Monka Momni and celebrating my Missika. And then Yamia Simana Brabo. Oh, yeah, dear Dodo. Sika, happy birthday to you from your father, okay? You see me very soon. All right. Now, I'm here birthdays, no. But I'm son, no, I'm fan Kaibo into Monim. Emma Kunafona, Yasemin Country Mose. 1st January. 1st January. I was Sompa anymore. A Melcraft phone, Mumra. The obedi company, remember, you did also a demand, you demand. And kind. Sompa FM Dome, Watermelon Street, behind St. John's Echo Bank. 1st January. A ma, I'm here craft for Mubeko. I face Sompa FM Takwa, our low cost. Mubeko. Techima site. Sompa FM Techima Mobeko. Sompa FM Nkranza premises wo Mobeko. And a Sunyani so Sompa FM our night market. Na 3rd January orphanage home donations. Enti entoma ene entadie titru ene toilet roll num ene your friend say detergent ombo num ne adesa no Adom Needy Care Foundation Fomana Kusa 3rd January honom na yede achede ne ko enti na ye bon ka ye se so wonfa wo so mpa achede maya obetimi de odi aba 1st January Kumasi hanomo so mpa hwa ha ema kurafo nyina ye so momra wa wo beba edi ka ba ne de odi ama ho esa nasa anambo number is 0598 55980 Sompa obetimi de momo kakra to so 0598 55980 Terror One Media and Sanity and Justice Prempe Ashanti Regional Communication Team member NDC. Hey, that's my boy from Sompa FM and TV Morning Show crew. Happy birthday, Justice. Oh, Ben Papa. Sophia Samoa of Kumasi Bost. Today is your birthday. CEO of Sosa Prestige Electronics and Trading. Also, so Obed Amponsa of Sompa TV Maltrinkwa. Inspector Jones Ade, Ghana Police Service. Nana Abuama so Maltrinkwa. Mildred Asantoa Boakye, Mount Zion Methodist Preparatory School. Omanhene Doris of Achomamponia District Assembly Maltrinkwa. Efia Sarazi of Nyinahini. Ohiniba Nana Kwajosu Maltrinkwa. Amajemfua Cheba for matters of Uganda. So far, somewhere Emma 3 Mkwa. Can I have the list? Now, Yemshadie, the number of people who called in total. Nipo Mufreye 83. Omo Mufreye 85. It's a spoiled ballot to me, you know. A cabo spoil ballot in the car. If I say 81 and they have valid votes. Okay. So valid votes say 81. Brian Champon ya 4. Edu Chuma nyabi. Kwabere Japan engineer nya 1. Baumia nya 16. Canada Japan nya 60. Oye connect. Ye baby. Ti matri nyode. What does it tell you?
It tells me
Oh, support to Kennedy to with the other Kabia, one had been about the still a baby.
You'll see the you're honest.
It's not honest to blow yet. But you.
The country means Ghana for are weak now, and they want a future, a leader. Generation than a Nimono, a Yena Sudi.
You think Kennedy has a generation ahead?
Yes. Or the next generation in mind. Because if you listen
to politics as usual. Not
at all.
You see him different?
Not at all. Even when Mecca said na onya unity say oba be context no. Utie ne nsamo ahodo nyina na. It tells you say or vision be edema tomorrow. Or vision be about the next generation.
Now he has to jump the Rubicon of the NDC delegates.
Yes.
The MPP. Utia MPP for no so be say, let's give Baumia a second chance. The new patriotic party delegates no be. Say Baumia ya turn yen turn be you. I don't swear.
Well, I know they ain't come up. Oh yes. Ain't come up. Say boss, me do share see ani edin komo a. The baby was say me can to convince you know. I'll tell you that.
Now you don't see him winning?
Not at all.
You rather see Kennedy?
Yes. Kennedy is going to.
People also see him from another angle. I just have to say, oh, did he matter? The Bufua, the Canadian, I have Ghana secret. Boko United Nations, I can.
Boss.
Secret is here.
Boss, and America say no conversation for another day. Whole time now, your baby and same. Because Kennedy, assembly or Bekana at a time, no. It was meaning. And what can at the right time. My prime example. A bra Kennedy, a car say a NPP for 77 before Muti and Monfancheme. I am quasi for. At a time, no, the base would did not so kind and say NPP Pini focus Kuomu near Bopa.
That's a will be recorded.
Obetin no Obia year Pia Quaco can't say NPP for. So that NDC for. So word now you soon at that time. No boss. Obeka say or you're right and on your right.
But you'll be Samiana.
You see, and what be a word you are who meaning and what brands were you soon. And to won you so where the beer quasa. Until time I'll be you soon no. Now I say this yes. It is a sad time.
He has had used anything apart from a Jimmy for.
Boss, and I'm on almost 2 years na ejina ho made. Naturally.
Na Jimmy sem.
Oh boss. Me repeat me. Me repeat me.
To you no. And someone come up for the tiano no.
Yes.
Okan at the right time.
At the right time.
This Okan.
This Okan. Sometimes some word no. I was
but he could have said it with a certain decorous.
Boss, sometimes once you use softwares when persuasion phase.
Force is applied.
Yes. Buo kasade obeye ne sa na semfa enu nti na to that teacher for obia na semfa na so or their back akrabuam to
wake you in line,
to wake you
your
conscience up
and shatter your stupidity.
Yes, obi de eye kasade akrokro ene be nyane no obi de nso de this what tia no this what gira no so ansa na adwene na
depending on the exigency of the moment.
That absolutely.
For you there,
for me,
you see, Ken is the niche for MPP.
Absolutely.
As a Kennedy, a DMPP anymore.
Yeah.
They can be rest assured of 2028.
Boss, NDC muse obi sebi obi betumi adi nsem hunu wo mu a. Ye betiaw. Nti ye hu se o tra line e ya ye louder, ne atiaw louder. Abonti na wo se yegina ne atiaw, ne yegina wa atiaw wo hodom.
NDC.
Yes, say dem na wo se atiaw. Yes, say wo se atiaw dem ye betiaw dem. Say wo bro so na wo trapo na wo se atiaw abonti atiaw abonti.
You think MPP doesn't have that?
Oh no.
Who or Kennedy mu?
Yes.
Hey.
Yes, I don't say nti na do asafo ko etumi gina car say Kennedy board mama appointment because they didn't work asa wo do asafo tama ye hia 137 near 2 vote no Kennedy ankasa the bottom ebo asa obeba now what the bagge na yiba to say answer na obeba no gisa ye yi afenyo markings as deputy majority leader which they should announce it. Na man for want answer na waba like Ade.
My microphone.
Boss Ade nti say Kennedy that time no or ka say adwasafo useless ah. What use word boniana. And when we should search the word useless boss. Obeti ase. Sasa emfaso wo se enya wo so at that time no our party ehia wo no yanya nti se ye ka say we useless boss boni wo ho.
Okay. I was here for Edim Bessia, a channel dom ye, Bessia, na Yen fan quite dream. Sir, ye jina ha nominal, ye ma ubia quine Ghana ha. Bet Magasa Santa region Fred Dupa, but other regions also bemu. Ye, election year 31st. Eti Baomian Crawford na Brian Crawford, media me tihanom na yede course ba me nyazo se koma will be extra number muhu se kosa na kasa ne ya ye se Ghana for ya peken menim se party for enso pede saa odom ye ne a ekira ye ya wada ye de another version ebe bremo menim se wo doken saa o I was for you, but almost the Agudi, Jacko.